German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock has taken a strong stance against China, accusing the country of supporting Russia's war in Ukraine. In a statement, Baerbock said that China has been helping Russia in ways that harm both European and global security, instead of using its position as a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council to promote global peace. Baerbock specifically criticized China for providing weapons and military supplies to Russia. This comes after reports that China has been involved in the supply of critical components such as microelectronics, semiconductors, and even drone technology to Russia. These materials are used in Russia's military operations, including the production of munitions, tanks, and drones, which are essential for Moscow's ongoing aggression against Ukraine. The German foreign minister pointed out that this partnership between China and Russia directly threatens peace in Europe. She emphasized that Russia's war of aggression against Ukraine is destabilizing the broader European continent. And as the conflict escalates, Baerbock noted that security in Europe is now tied to security in Asia. She warned that China's support for Russia, especially in relation to North Korea's involvement in the war and Russia's nuclear connections with Pyongyang, is creating a dangerous dynamic that endangers both regions. Baerbock will meet with her Chinese counterpart Wang Yi next week to discuss these issues in greater detail. During her trip, she plans to convey Germany's concerns about China's actions. She's made it clear that while Germany values its relationship with China, it will not ignore violations of international law, especially when they directly affect European security and industry. Since the Ukraine war began, trade between Russia and China has skyrocketed, reaching a record $240 billion in 2023. This economic partnership, particularly in energy supplies, has helped Russia weather the effects of Western sanctions. China has significantly increased its imports of Russian oil and gas, making Russia a key energy supplier for China. China and Russia have also held large-scale military exercises over the last couple of years, and China is also set to acquire important defense technology, including submarine technology, from the Russian military-industrial complex. Baerbock's upcoming visit to China is crucial, as it will be her third meeting with Wang Yi this year. Germany, as Europe's largest economy, is committed to standing up for its own interests, while also continuing to work with China on other global issues like climate change. However, Baerbock's message is clear. Cooperation is essential, but not at the cost of turning a blind eye to actions that threaten global peace. Bureau Report, India Today, Global.